Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. Listen up, guys. If this is your first time tuning into this channel and you are not yet subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel to follow my online and offline journey of earning a full-time income from the comfort of my home. And here on this channel, you're going to learn how to do the same. I'm going to be giving you trainings and not only that, opportunities that will help you to start producing a full-time income from home. I'm here to just educate people because this is something that was life-changing to me back in 2016. And I like to show people exactly how I was able to get to where I'm at now, earning a multiple six-figure income from doing opportunities like the one we're going to discuss today. So again, please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Here, looking at my screen, I'm going to go ahead and hit this refresh button. This is just some of the income that I brought in today from one of my the opportunities, offline opportunities that I currently promote. So right now we're at a total of $1,233, and the day is not over. And what I'm excited about is that there's days where you have days like this that make up for the days when things are a bit dry. As you can see, yesterday I only had $50 that came in. I'm excited and humble for every dollar that I make because there's a lot of people out there working jobs that they don't like, and they're being aggravated and not making the income that they like. So what we're going to do is go over this information right here. If we hit this view button, we see here that I have a total of $7,334 in earnings that I can pull soon into my bank account, $5,985 now and $1,300 that is currently pending. Okay, you can also see here that I had a deposit in May of $24,791.55. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you information about this opportunity. We're going to talk about today the Cash Building System Unlimited. Some of the bonuses have expired, but we do have additional bonuses available. If you want to see what those are, all you have to do is click here, or you can just scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and here is all of the bonuses, the fast action bonuses that we have available. So this is a postcard program opportunity that I've been making thousands of dollars with, promoting this almost 1 year online, but I started out promoting postcard opportunities offline. And today what I want to discuss with you is what you're going to need to do when you get started with this opportunity, realistic expectations when you start this opportunity, so that I don't want anyone to have false hopes like this is some get rich quick overnight. We're going to talk about how long it takes approximately to build this up. And not only that, what you have to do during building up this process, because it is a process. This is a business. You have to treat it like a business. And there's some certain things that you're going to have to do if you want to start seeing consistent results. Okay. So just to prepare people, because again, what I tell people all the time, my students, is the fact that when you're working a job, right, you are earning every week or every 2 weeks, where you're working a business now, and you're going to have to build it up in order to get the results that you are looking for. Okay. And that's how it's going to work with this business or any business online or offline that you're trying to build. So some people may be asking, what is the Cash Building System Unlimited? And in the description, again, we'll give you more information, but what we're going to go over today is basically what's included, right? You don't have to have an experience to start this opportunity. When I first came into the offline marketing space, I didn't know anything about it. I actually had a mentor that helped me and coached me into knowing what to do with this opportunity. But not only that, was able to tell me the things not to do and how to speed up my results. Okay. This is the postcard that you're going to receive in the mail when you join this opportunity. To start off, the company is going to give you 200 postcards and 200 leads. You're going to get your ID number that's affiliated with how people pay you. Okay. Everyone has an ID number. No one can sign up without an ID number. And then we have phase one, which is a one-time fee of $50. Phase two, which is $100 all the way up to $5,000. And I tell people you can come in wherever you feel comfortable, but always position yourself to make the most. Most of the times, the people that want to make the most money, I want to make $10,000 a month. I want to make $5,000 a month. They position themselves here at phase one, which is $50. And what we know is, let's just pull out a calculator here. If we're going to position ourselves at the $50 level where we're only getting 25 people, $25 for every one person that comes in, you're going to need quite a bit of these in order to just make $5,000 a month. So 200 people just to make $5,000. That's a lot of people. But let's just say you position yourself at the $500 level, okay? And these again are one-time fees. You're going to get $350, right, for each person that comes in. And let's just say we have, let's see here, if we do 100 people, that's putting us at 35,000. But let's just say we're not even trying to hit that. We're trying to hit 25 people a month, which is very predictable, right? It's very predictable. So with that, we do 350 times 25 people, and now we're at $88,750. If we're doing 30 people at 350, this is 10,500, okay? And this is a goal that's reachable, 30 people, instead of trying to work hard to get 200 people at the $50 level, right? So what I always tell people too is if a person will buy from you at the $25 level, you're doing the same amount of work to get somebody to buy from you at the $500 level. The work that you're putting in does not determine what level they join at. What determines how much you make is what level you join at. Okay, so let's just go over this again. If you position yourself at the lowest level, you have to work twice as hard. Where if you position yourself at one of the phase 2 levels, you don't have to work as hard. But not only that, the work that you're putting in is going to allow you to make bigger commissions because you have positioned yourself to make more money. Okay, so that's how it works. With level 1, you join here. You can upgrade at any time. You can upgrade right away if you want. You can wait a week, 2, whatever it is. You're going to get 200 postcards and leads at the phase 1. And then you're going to also get another 200 postcards and leads at phase 2. So yeah, you're going to get the 200 done for you postcards, 200 targeted leads, the member only discounted pricing. This is at the $50 level, private offline marketing strategies, and then our exclusive Facebook access group for paid members. Now, when you upgrade, you're going to just get additional 200 postcards and 200 leads. And not only that, you'll be able to earn at not just the $25 level, but also not at the $50 level, but also at the level that you upgraded to, okay? So with this opportunity, how does phase 2 work? You sign up at the highest level you can afford to collect as much money as you can. Your commissions for each member you bring into the business depends on your level and your new member's level. Higher phases, of course, pays out higher commissions. Now, with that said, when a person comes in under you and they start sending out their postcards, you're going to also be paid on position 2. So every time I have a person that join under me at any one of these levels, my sponsor also gets paid on position 2, which means she could literally sit and do nothing and still have money coming in from this opportunity if she chooses to do so. Now, a lot of people, what's that going to do? It's going to push them to keep going and to keep promoting the opportunity, because not only are you getting paid from your efforts, you're also getting paid from the efforts of those who are on your team. Okay, and that's very important to know. When you work as a team, you have other people that are putting in the same amount of effort as you, or even if it's 10%, that can add up to be hundreds of thousands of dollars over time, because every time someone decides to do work and work on their business, send out their postcards, promote their opportunity, not only are you now feeding you from your efforts, they're feeding from their efforts as well, which gives you a combination of commissions coming in on a daily basis or weekly basis, depending on, again, how much work you're putting into the system. So what I wanted to do is pull up this notepad here and let me see if I can put some information on here for you. Well, actually, we're going to do it right on the screen. So let's just say here, I'm going to put it here. Let's just say that we have, we're going to work on this business for 6 months. And this is the way that it works. Okay. You decide to work on this business for 6 months. What's going to happen is month 1, you're going to send out, you want to send out at least within the first month, 250 postcards, okay? 250 postcards. Now, let's just say with the 250, you might not get no one the first month, right? Which is fine, because right now you are building the business. It's not about making money right away. It's about getting out as much as you can within your first 90 to 120 days. So let's just say the next month you send out another 250. Now you're at 500 postcards that's out. Now, what I tell people is while you're putting out your postcards, you want to add an additional method to this, okay? And the reason why is because what we want to do is we want to touch as many people as possible, and we want to be able to spread the word and get as many eyeballs as possible on our website or send them to our link, okay? Now, what I highly recommend is don't keep putting the postcards in the mail, right? What you can do is you can start taking those same postcards. Let's just say we get another 2,000 postcards is like cheap, like $20 or something like that. So let's just say we take 2,000 postcards, and now we don't put them in the mail. This one is in the mail. These were in the mail. While we wait for these people to respond, okay, because some of these people are going to start going to your website. They're going to start signing up. Now we take this 2,000 and we put them in places like barbershops, right? We put them in supermarkets. We put them near bus stops, any public place that has a lot of high traffic, right? And we sit these in these places, right? You can even like pin them to a board. Like if there's boards in the laundromat or different places where you go, take the pins with you and pin them. Now what's going to happen here is now you have tons of people that are going to be walking by this information on an ongoing basis. Go to the supermarket in a cereal section. You know, you can just stick a few inside of the on the sides of the cereal boxes. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to increase the engagement, the conversions, and the amount of people that go to our website, because now we are hitting more people. And you don't have to take a whole lot of time to do this. You can go out for 2 hours, maybe every other day, okay, and have tons of people coming to our website, looking at the information that we have about this opportunity, okay? Now I tell people, why is this more powerful, taking these 2,000 and putting them out? The reason why is because these 750 postcards that you mailed out, okay, they're going to go to a certain amount of people. And like, say if you have 2 people that's living in the home, you only have 2 people looking at that postcard. Where if you have 3 postcards sitting in a laundromat or posted to a board, now you have potentially hundreds of people that's going to see this postcard. So now you have way more traffic coming into your business. So when I'm training people, I tell people all the time, sometimes we have to get outside of our comfort zone. I know it's easier to just sit and put postcards in the mail, but if you're really trying to make a difference and you definitely want to speed up your results, you have to sometimes get out your comfort zone and do a little bit more. And what I love about this method is that you can always, because, you know, when you're putting stuff in the mail, you have to pay for stamps. Where if you're out and you're on foot doing some of your task for the day to get traffic, now you don't have to pay for stamps, and you will actually lower the cost for your marketing efforts, okay? And that's what it's all about, lowering the cost until we make a profit, okay? So if you think of some people, you can actually do this with family members or friends and go out and put these postcards out. If you do this every month, now you have 2,750. The next month you do the same thing. You're now compounding your marketing efforts, which is going to compound your results, okay? That's how it happens. So what we want to do is we want to take some days where we work on our business in the house, and then nice days where we take a couple of hours to work on our business outside of the home. And you're actually just doubling up on your marketing, which is doubling up on your traffic. It's going to speed up your results over time. Okay. Now, again, this is offline marketing strategies that we're going over, and it's just a way to incorporate the postcards that you put in the mail with the postcards that you decide to put around in different locations that has a ton of high traffic. Okay, that's what you want to do. Now, if you are doing this consistently for 6 months, even 90 days, and you are putting out a certain amount of hours, I'm not talking about going out and just being out for 15 minutes. I'm talking about going out and actively working for 2 hours every other day consistently. You will start to see emails coming in to your order responder, because that's another thing. We're not going to set this up without a website. Like for me, this is my website, postcardfundsunlimited.com. Yours can be whatever you want it to be. All you have to do is go to GoDaddy.com. Once you purchase your website, because the website is not free, guys. When you purchase and get involved in this program, you're paying for this here. It does not include the website. So you have to get the website separately, but that's going to help you to start driving more traffic to your sales page. That's going to help you to get more traffic to your business, more eyeballs to your business. So once you get your website, which you can do by just going all the way down to the bottom of this page, when you go get all the way down to the bottom here, you would get your website. And then you will come right to GoDaddy and you will get your domain. So like if your name is Kim, you could look up like workingwithkim.com. Okay. And that could be your domain name that leads to your website. You look and you see if it's available. If it's not, look for another name, but this one is available. So for $15, I think it's like $15 or $12, you now have a domain for one entire year. This domain is going to take people directly to your website, where people can now get involved with your business and actually sign up. Okay. These websites are customized. It has your picture, your name, your email, your phone number, your ID. And if you want, you can also include your social media link, where it'll take people directly to your Facebook page. Okay, that's how it works. Now we have these 4 buttons where you can pay. The $50 is where you will start. You cannot skip phase 1. And then here you have phase 2, where you can upgrade immediately to the higher levels. Anything past $500, you would contact me, because there's some information we need to go over, and I would need to get you an invoice so that you can make the payment. But at the higher levels, it also comes with 1 hour coaching session, which I like to set up with people that are paying more because they're serious about their business. And I want to make sure that they understand step by step what they need to do in order to be successful. But not only that, it comes with some things that are for free that I like to actually go over with those who actually decide to upgrade. Okay. So this again is the business that I have been promoting. If you want to take a look at the bonuses, that information is in the description. This is one of the newbie friendly opportunities that you can start promoting to get the results that you're looking for, and to actually start growing your business from home and ultimately leaving your daytime job. So I want to say thank you so much for tuning into this video. Again, if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Have a great day.